Hi there, this is Jennifer with Lemongrass Spa Products, and I'm bringing a review of our Herbal Foot Kit for you today. This is a 5-piece kit. It comes with a bag and a brush. It has bristles on one side and the pumice on the other side. Also a nice little towel. And our first step being the Herbal Foot Soak, which has primarily Epsom salts in it, but it also includes peppermint oil, so it'll give you that nice pepperminty aroma, which you can also use when you have a cold, help kind of break up that congestion a little bit, help you feel like you can breathe a little better. The next step is our walnut foot scrub, so I keep doing it on that side. Walnut foot scrub. This is literally broken up walnut hulls, which serve as an amazing exfoliator, especially for the feet where things can get a little more callous a little quicker. You need something pretty intense to exfoliate those feet sometimes. And this, between the pumice stone, oops, my things are falling out, between the pumice stone there and then the walnut foot scrub, my feet just feel amazing by the time I'm done with this. And as I'm rubbing it on my feet, my hands get exfoliated too, which is a nice little bonus. The next step is our peppermint foot balm. Again, this has the peppermint oil in it. It gives off that nice peppermint aroma, which you can also use. You can put this directly on your chest, on your back, on the bottoms of your feet when you're experiencing a cold or cold symptoms to help break things up and help you breathe a little bit better. That is definitely one of the things we use this for around our house, as the kids have a little touch of the cold here and there. But that is the main kit. You can also get a travel size or a trial size of it, and it's quite small. So for instance, the foot balm is, the main is 4 ounces, and I believe that the travel size is probably less than an ounce. And can you tell I'm right-handed? I keep moving over on that side of the screen. So that is really a nice way to test out the kit if you want to just see how you're going to feel about how it smells, how it's going to feel, that kind of thing. The trial size kit is a really nice way to test that out. Of course, it won't come with the towel and the foot brush, but it's good enough to be able to see the ingredients and see what you think about it. This has really been a wonderful, just even sitting in front of the TV, soak your feet for a couple of minutes, and you walk away from the episode that you've just watched feeling like you've also gotten a pedicure. So it is really a nice way to pamper yourself with great ingredients, and also the fact that it has the peppermint oil. You can use it during a cold, when you need to kind of open up the airways a little bit. So let me know if you have any questions. Send me an email. You can comment down below. Thank you so much for watching.